What's going on, guys? Vlogs with Sports here. I just wanted to make this quick little vlog. Can I see them, Callie, real quick, baby? I'll give them right back. Here's Callie had kittens. Here she had two. I just wanted, they're a couple days old. I didn't want to show them right when they were born, but this one we call Hershey. Hey, it's okay, baby. Yeah. I think they're premature, about a week, maybe. I don't know. But they're so cute. We also got a white one. I'll show you that one. We call that one Snowflake. But let's get a close-up of Hershey first. Just a little baby. Just a little girl. I think. I don't know. Could be a boy. They're too young to tell. Alright. Here's Snowflake. And here's little Snowflake. She likes to squirm, I swear. Look, Cotton, look. Shh, it's okay. She's something else, look. But yeah. Those are the two little kittens. We got. Also, I wanted to say, go check out my new channel I'm making. It's literally called Goosebumps Fan. It's the dumbest name, but I'm making a whole bunch of stuff about Goosebumps from. I have one video that's like 8 months ago, so I kind of forgot about that channel because I haven't had time to really do anything. So I'm gonna upload more videos. I'm planning on doing my picks for the top 5 twist endings. My top 5 twist endings, like, you know, dark or twist endings. On that. So make sure to go check out that channel. Subscribe if you like Goosebumps stuff. Just go ahead and subscribe. Planning on uploading every couple of days on that channel. I'm gonna try to. Anyway, thanks for watching. Peace out, guys.